Yeah.
Yeah, bitch, don't get me. Tear it up. That's not working. Oh, what is this?
And the sad part about this
Swimming in the sea? Don't be recording me. I'll cut your nipples off. No. Come on.
Work it, Rosie.
Oh, fuck this.
Do it, John. John, stop being a pussy.
Trade. This is for people who are smart. Am I whipping my hair side down?
No, you can do it. You suck.
He does suck.
I don't play Kinect. I'm too poor to afford Kinects.
I
was like, where are you going?
Oh, that's
Your boobs.
You must have stolen.
They're just so awesome.
Yeah. Now I'm fighting like a.
You're not the only one who thinks
that. Is Michael Jackson like fending off girls?
Aw.
He doesn't like girls.
He likes little boys.
Yes.
Don't tell Rachel I said that. Okay, freestyle.
Did we lose?
Can I
Freestyle. Freestyle.
Wait. I'm freestyling, guys. Do something.
No, you can't whip your hair back.
It's gonna show you what you did.
Oh, that's attractive.
That's so awkward.
How was my head always in
Go.
the-
Dance.
Oh, dance now? Okay.
Alright.
When John gets married, we should bring this. Guys,
Dude, put the footrest down.
guys, I think it's official.
Okay, here we go.
Am I doing something now?
Whip.
Why do I keep ending up on a random friend?
Spin your... Whip your fucking hair.
Look at these things. This is ridiculous. This is why I don't like modern music. What is this? I don't understand.
John, want to trade out?
No.
Yes.
No,
trade.
Kyle. Aw.